Hey guys, back with another video. Today I got another unboxing. And today we got the Jordan 1s. As you probably could tell from the thumbnail. Jordan 1 lows. It's cost about $120 plus tax. It was about like $30 off. I think it was like $150 or something like that. It's $30 off. So it seemed like a pretty good deal to me. The box is pretty simple, nothing really special to it, so we're just gonna get right into the shoes. There it is. Let me get an upshot view for you guys. There they are. Those are pretty nice. Alright, so we're gonna look around the shoes. We're gonna go for the left pair. So here it is. It's got that little like leather design. Not sure if it's actual leather, I have no idea. But it's got this nice material over here, different than this. Also got that Air Jordan logo at the back. At the front, you can also see it says 23. And also got the Jordan logo up there. And it's also inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, pretty dark. Let me see if I can get, yeah, I don't know if, yeah, it's pretty hard to tell. Oh, it's blocked by the shoelace, but yeah, you can see a little bit over there, I think, but yeah, so it's red, and yeah, the sole is also red at the bottom. Pretty nice colorway in my opinion. I'm not sure how dirty this would get. I don't know, it seems like it could be like a, casual shoe you can wear daily or something. It's the reason why I bought this. But yeah, the other pair should be almost the exact same in style. Pretty nice. The Nike logo right here is also the same material over here. Really nice feeling material. It's kind of like suede, but like not exactly like suede. It's different. But yeah, it's also got the little logo inside there. Hard to see. Oh, it's also got these little things, little wooden, not wooden things, but cardboard, whatever, to hold the shape of the shoe. I'm just gonna take those out for now. But yeah, pretty nice looking shoe. For $120 Canadian dollars, I should say. It's definitely worth it. Looks really nice, and if you guys have any questions, please list them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.